So imagine you walk into a beautiful forest, and you guys you've heard this for me, right? You walk into a beautiful forest, and you see like some graffiti on the trees, a campfire, beer gun shells, like just, someone took a dump. I mean, it just, whatever, the worst, they just mistreated this beautiful forest, right? You could keep walking and try to find a more pristine part of the forest, right, and just ignore this. Or you could spend some time healing and cleaning and making right this thing that you just stumbled onto as an offering to the feminine. Oftentimes, this is kind of the analogy that I want men to consider. Like, we have to take responsibility for the damage that has been done to our feminine partners. Now, of course, I would love for them to do the same, right? But it's very hard given where we are at this moment in history and the level of collective feminine trauma. So she said it. You knew who you married. These are the cards you're dealt. Now, you can always eject if you want, or you could double down and be like, I am a source of healing for this woman. I'm going to clean up or be a safe space. As best I can, I'm going to clean up the mess of others. Like, somebody did this to her. Someone mistreated her so that she doesn't trust the man who loves her. Is that fair to say? And so taking that on is a truly heroic stance.
Double down.
Doubling down, yeah. Doubling down. And she'll fight you on it. And she'll tell you, I don't trust you, I don't feel it, or you're not doing it right. And loving that is very hard. I mean, men, you can understand, the guys are like, oh, fuck, man. Like, that guy's like sweating, he's so present, and she's still like, nope, not right. Okay? So, yeah. And this is the nature of being a source of healing for each other. And this is the game I want to play. I want to be a source of healing for her. Acknowledging fully that the trauma might not have been mine. The campfire was not yours. Right? But you are responsible, should you choose, for cleaning it up. Yeah, choosing to be responsible.